pitchers, outfield, catchers. We need
Okay, I'll be a catcher.
Right, all right, sounds good.
I just can't pitch.
No worries.
Hi, and welcome to CSU Matters. As we start a new school year, we know that there are times in academic life, whether you're a faculty member or a staff member or a student, where life can be really busy and sometimes stressful. We're here today at the University Rec Center, where they focus on many dimensions of well-being, as you'll see. Let's go take a look. Tell me what's happening around here.
It's a large place, 110,000 square feet of physical space. We also have programs and services, everything from aquatics and safety to competitive sports and camps to adventure recreation. We host over 20 group fitness classes per week, and then we have our first aid CPR classes. So really we run the gamut of programs and services and well-being here at the Rec Center.
So we say the Rec Center, but your actual title is University Recreation and Wellbeing, but it didn't used to be that.
Right, Campus Recreation Services.
So why the name change?
The switch from the services to the well-being part is the big aspect concentrate on. We want to achieve on optimal health and well-being for our faculty, our staff, our students, alumni, and community.
Can you tell me about the wellness studios that have been set up here at the Rec Center, and then I think you call it the Wellness Cube in the Student Center?
Correct. There are 2 massage chairs and then 2 Metro nap pods. Hey, just take a 10-minute breather, sit down, relax, do your 10-minute massage, and then kind of go on your way. It's a super cool thing.
I imagine we show up as better scholars or researchers or students when we do that.
Absolutely. Research does show that if you take time for yourself, that you're more productive and better in the academic classroom.
So you are an honors student and you're getting a degree in our College of Business. How in the world do you have time to think about being engaged at the Rec Center?
I got to keep my mind right and my body right, and it's definitely a great option in between classes to go work out, hang out with friends, even just play some pool. It's a great central meeting spot for a lot of fun activities to take my mind off of school.
Okay, so now I'm seeing all this stuff you're wearing.
Yes.
Baseball, talk about this.
Yes, so I am on the club baseball team here at Cleveland State. Found out about it last September from one of the current members at a Tri-C and CSU event for the program, and he said that we had a club baseball team here and that I should reach out to their president to join, and I was all for it because I thought my playing days were over, but it was a great opportunity and I took it and ran with it.
So I want to come and see you play.
Absolutely.
How long have you been coming to the Rec Center, and how did you get engaged in the first place?
So after the pandemic, I decided I need to be committed and make a choice to prioritize my health a little bit more. I've been coming here for the 5 years, but I've been committed to coming here since last November.
So any advice you have for faculty or staff who maybe know the place is here on the edge of campus but don't participate?
There are a few people in my office that we commit to coming, and we say that it's just a part of our well-being. We want to give back to our students, and we also want to be mentally in shape and physically in shape.
So what drew you here in the first place, Marnie?
So I was really looking to sort of get healthier because I don't want to have bad health when I get older. I thought I would try out a class here over at the Rec Center. So it's a really fun, energetic way to start the day.
There are faculty and staff and students and community members. Does that seem really natural when you're here, or is that kind of weird? How do you feel?
No, I thought it would be a little weird, to be honest, to be like working out with people who are like students and things, but it's really fun just to have people from all over doing the same thing, enjoying the same thing together.
So coming up, I always say it's like a cat peering over a counter as you go through. So staying loose, you're going to take a slight step, and you're aiming with those top 2 knuckles, coming forward, you're aiming for your chin in the mirrors. That's how we do shadow boxing.
Something about wearing a suit doing this is just a little bit jarring, you know. I'm coming back, ladies, just so you know. I am impressed.
Hand, yep. I'm not gonna do that.